Yo, Onyx here, back with another one. We got 3 packages. First up, we got a package from earshop.fb. We got some ear tape. Let's check it out. Been hearing a lot of good things about ear tape, so I really wanted to give it a try. Finally got my hands on some. Had to get 2 packs. You already know. Next up, we got a package from What Them Fingers Do. Let's get into it. From what I've seen, their wheels looked really good, so definitely had to grab some. Here I got the Classics. Cool little sticker. But I got the Classics. Can't wait to see what these are like. Got the extra small size, and so far they seem like the same size as Joy Colt wheels. Last but not least, we got a package from Vintage Fingerboards. Let's get into it. Here we got a 27.5 Vintage Fingerboards. This brand is a brand from Canada. So this took a little while to get here, but I'm super hyped on it. Can't wait to see what it looks like. Let's check these stickers out. Cool orange vintage sticker. Then we got some tape here. We got a large vintage sticker. And a medium vintage sticker. Cool. Wow, look at that top ply. I've never seen a top ply like that. Really good mold. Vintage on the bottom. Vintage on the top ply. Here's the shape. Vintage and blue on the top ply. Beautiful. Now let's get into this ear tape. Comes with a special card for gripping. Kind of acts as like a file. Grip feels really good. And now let's get into these wheels. Yeah, they feel like Joy Colts. Extra small is the same as like the light 3.0s. Same size. Pretty cool. Alright, here's the setup. We got the Levi 26mm. We got the What Them Fingers Do ear tape. Here we go. We also got teak tuning bushing, 61A. And my custom pivot cups. good. Did a pretty good grip job. Charcoal sticker. And here's the squeak test. 10 out of 10 setup. Peace.